Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how I stretch my egg dollars. We're going to be making migas. Okay, I'm going to be using 8 eggs. I've already got 7 in here, so I'm just cracking my 8th egg. Let me just say real quickly, this is a burner, a Presto burner, and I love this thing. I am a big fan of it now. It's fairly new to me and I've been cooking with it a lot lately, so I'll give you a link below so you can check it out yourself. To stretch my egg dollars, I have some corn tortillas here. So I'm gonna use about 6 of them. Now the wonderful thing about this dish is that you can have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. We're actually having this for an early dinner, so tonight, nothing's wrong with having breakfast for dinner.
Linner?
I'm just gonna cut across like that. This is how I do it, nothing fancy. You can do it however you'd like, but really we're just trying to get some little strips of tortillas in there for our filler, and that's perfect right there. I have the burner set on about 350. So to this, I love avocado oil, so I use avocado oil a lot to fry. So basically what we're doing is we're frying up these little tortillas. So what we're doing is we're just frying up the tortilla strips. I don't want them really hard, I just want them to be a little fried, and then I'm going to add my other ingredients. So see, that's what I want. It's getting browned and a little crunchy. I like mine a little crunchy. Some people don't, they like them soft. It's up to you. If you like them soft, then this is probably about to the point you want to cook them. If you like them a little crunchy, like I do, then I'm going to cook them a little bit longer. I'm also going to add some seasoning to them. I'm adding a little cumin. It has that nice smoky flavor. Cayenne. If you like heat, go ahead and add some cayenne. If you don't, then just leave out the heat. They're pretty good. Like I'm a little crunchier than that. Going to be adding my egg here soon, so I'm going to put some butter in. I think this might be enough butter. You can adjust it to however much butter you're making, however many eggs you're using. I'm using 8, so I think that might be okay, maybe a little bit more. There. And that butter also gives the tortillas a nice little flavor. This is where I'm going to whisk my eggs, because I'll be adding the eggs next. I have a whisk, but sometimes it's just easier to grab a fork. Now to the eggs, I do add a little bit of salt and pepper once I add them to the pan. I'm going to add a little onion powder, a little garlic powder, just a little bit. Don't need a whole lot of extra flavors in here because surprisingly, when I add the cheese, it will have plenty of flavor. There goes my salt. A little more cayenne. We want them spicy today. They look wonderful. The last two ingredients that I'm going to add are optional cheese. We're real fans of the goat cheese. I got this at Kirkland's. You can buy, I think it comes 2 or 3 a container, and it's wonderful cheese. So this, if you haven't had goat cheese, soft goat cheese, oh my gosh, it's wonderful. Wonderful flavor, you gotta try it. Before you say you don't like it, at least give it a try. So this is going to melt. And then I'm also adding a little extra. My husband loves cheddar cheese, so we get cheddar cheese in here too. So guys, this is a meal with the 8 eggs. I turn it down, cover that, and then we'll be ready to try it. All right, look how wonderful. And I can smell the goat cheese. Like I said, this is wonderful for breakfast, lunch, or in our case today, we're having a light dinner. There you go, guys. It's how I stretch my egg dollars these days with Migas.
If you like what you see, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share.